Today I'll be introducing you to the Maglite ML300L LED flashlight 3-cell D, which means that it will take 3D batteries. On high it will shine 406 meters. It is 625 lumens and will last for 16 hours. On low it will last for 77 hours. On eco 117. And then it also has momentary mode and strobe mode. Multi-mode electronic switch, which is very nice compared to the last one. You can personalize it for quick access to all your preferred functions. It has a lifetime limited warranty, a fast focus to spot to flood with only a quarter turn, which is very nice compared to the old ones, and it is IPX4 water resistant. It's designed and manufactured in the USA, includes some imported components. If you use it less than once a month, they suggest that you take the batteries out for storage, and even if you do use it quite often, they suggest that you check it out once a month for any damage or corrosion, and maybe even cleaning. They want you to lubricate all the threads and rubber O-rings lightly with petroleum jelly every 6 months. Let you guys take a quick look at the back. Now I'll be going over some of the directions with you. They're very important for this new flashlight because they'll tell you how to change the preset function sets. It comes with 4 different settings: general, outdoor, law enforcement, and tactical. General is full power, low power, and eco. Outdoor is full power, low power, and strobe. Law enforcement is momentarily full power and eco. Tactical is momentarily full power and strobe. It also has a diagram to show you how the 3 pieces of the flashlight goes together. It has directions on how to set the function set. It has 4 different settings: inspection and maintenance, troubleshooting, warnings, inspection and maintenance, limited lifetime warranty. It also comes in a couple different languages. Now we'll just take a look at the flashlight and go over some of the details. It's got a nice textured surface for a non-slip grip. It's nice and textured at the back to change the batteries. It is not textured up here at the top like a lot of the previous models, which ain't a big deal because it's only a quarter turn from spot to flood. It's got an upgraded power button so you can cycle through the different modes. It's got a LED in there. Super reflective surface on the inside. And it's also got its reputation for its reliability. Now I will show you how to change the different function sets. It comes with 4 different function sets. The first function set is general, the second one is outdoor, the third one is law enforcement, and the 4th one is tactical. To change the function set, you can just turn the flashlight on, take off the back lid just enough until it turns off. It says to do that for 2 seconds, then to place your finger on the power button, screw it back in, flash 1 time for the first set, which is general, 2 times for outdoor, 3 times for law enforcement, and 4 times for tactical. Then just let your finger off the button on that particular setting that you want to set it at. And now it's on tactical, so 1 time for the momentary. Also with the momentary, as soon as you let your finger off the button, it will stop. 2 times for full power mode, and there gotta be quick clicks. Then you gotta click it 3 times for strobe. Then it's always 1 click to shut it back off. On any function set, you are only allowed to have 3 different light modes. For example, full power, low power, and eco, so it always leaves out 2 different modes, which kinda is a disappointment. Now I'll just repeat that one more time and put it on function set 3, which is law enforcement. First, start off by turning on the flashlight, and then unscrew the back for 2 seconds. Unscrew it just enough until it shuts off. 1, 2. Screw it back on. It will blink 1 time for general. Keep holding it. 2 times for outdoor. Keep holding it. 3 times for law enforcement. Let it go. And then for law enforcement, it's the same thing as tactical. You gotta hold it for momentarily. 2 times for full power. And then this one is different because it's 3 times for eco. You can also quick adjust the lens. That is flood. That is spot. And just a 1/4 turn. So it's way nicer than the old version. I definitely recommend getting it. And the top does not come off on this version, but I could still see you being able to sit it up and use it as a little candle to light up the room if necessary. And that pretty much wraps up this segment of the video. If it helped you out at all, don't forget to smack a big old like. It would really help me out a lot. If you have any questions or comments, put them in the comments. And I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. This is the ML300L on general. So this would be high on spot. This is on flood. This is on low. On spot. This is on eco. This is on momentary, on the tactical mode. As soon as you take your finger off, it will stop. It's on spot. Now it's on flood. This is on the high setting. Bring it into flood. Three clicks for the strobe. And that's what that looks like. That's it on flood. "3C" on momentary. As soon as you let your finger off the button, it will shut off. If you double click it, it will go on high. This is on tactical mode. If you triple click it, it will go on strobe. This is on high, with the beam all the way on tight. This is with the beam on flood. Back tight.
No.
This is the 3C on high, on general mode, on spot. 2 clicks will bring it down to low. This is low, flooded out. This is it back on spot. This is it on eco mode. Now back on high. High is also 611 lumens.